Good morning. So, did you open your math book, student? Did you open your math book? Up to how much we have done? Can you tell me, please? We have done up to 51 number page, isn't it? It's Math Magic book, Shrestha. It's your Math Magic book, and we have done up to 51 page. So, today we will do 52 number page. So, open 52 number page. Class 2. So, what the topic today we will discuss? Rani and the milkman. Rani and the milkman. Have you ever seen any milkman? Do you know whom do we call milkman? Whom we are calling milkman? The person who are giving or delivering at our home milk, those person known as a milkman or a milk uncle, isn't it? Yes, who is giving us milk. Or so I am fine. Do you like to take milk? Do you like to take milk every day? Good. Milk make us strong, isn't it? Milk make us strong, isn't it? Now, see. Can you see the milk uncle or the milkman on your book? Who is he? What is his name? What is the name of this milk uncle? Anil. Good, Purba. So, Anil is the milkman in this book. So, what the story? I am reading and look at the book very carefully. Anil is a milkman. He gives the same amount of milk at Rani's house every day. That's mean this yellow frog girl is Rani. This yellow frog wearing girl is Rani. And at her house, Anil every day gives milk. He use a mug. What he use? He use a mug 3 times to fill Rani's milk pot. So how many times he used the mug to fill the pot, student? How many? 3 times. So a mug 3 times means 3 times. My first time he poured, then after that once again pour, and then after that at least once again pour. In this way 3 times he fill Rani's pot. That's mean in Rani's pot how much milk can hold? In Rani's pot how much milk can hold? 3 mugs. How many mugs? 3 mugs. Okay. Now, what happened? Rani's mother gave her a different pot to take milk. So, student, every day, who said it's Amartya is not 4 mug, Amartya is mugs. Do one thing. Underline this one with your pencil. He uses a mug 3 times to fill Rani's milk pot. Underline this line. He uses a mug 3 times to fill Rani's milk pot. Okay? Good. Have you done this one? Purbayan, it's 2 times, no, it's 3 times, not 2 times. Okay. One day, Purbayan, it's not 2 times, it's 3 times. Look at your book. On the second line, he uses a mug 3 times to fill Rani's milk pot. Okay. Now one day what happened? Rani's mother gave her a different pot. You can see the shape and also the pot is different. It's not look like a milk pot. I mean not look like this kolshi. Every day Rani's pot would fill to the top. I mean every day whenever Rani brought this brownish pot and whenever Anil gives 3 mugs milk into that, the brownish pot gonna fill. But what happened today? But today Rani found that when Rani brought today the blue color pot for taking the milk, that time Anil gives her 3 mugs, but still it's not completely filled. Now Rani is not that much, big, so she couldn't understand. She is also small, just like all of you, and she was thinking, oh, today Anil has given me less milk, as because today Rani's bluish pot, as because that day. Lisa, can you hear me now? Lisa? Okay. So, as because today Rani has taken the blue color pot and its shape is not like the brownish pot, so Rani thought, oh my God, I am small, that's why today Anil has given me less milk. Now student, you tell me that did you think that Anil has given Rani less milk? What do you think? That really Anil gave her today less milk? Yes or no? Every day this brownish pot filled when he gives 3 mugs. But today when she take the blue pot, it doesn't complete or didn't complete. So Rani thought that Anil gives her less milk. Now you say me student, what you think? That really Anil gives her less milk or the same amount milk? Say me. Everyone answer me. Use your brain and answer me. Okay. Do you think Anil has given Rani less milk? Help her. So, can you hear me now? Student? Can you hear me now? No, ma'am, because her mother gave her a big pot. That's why she found that Anil gave her less milk. Good, Purbayan, your answer is absolutely correct. Okay. So, some student, mute your audio. Kritika, mute your audio. Yes, because some student didn't mute their audio. That's why. So, just write down that do you think Anil has given Rani less milk? Write down here no. Just write down no. Oh my God. Just write down no. Just write down no. Do you think Anil has given Rani less milk? Just write down no. Okay? And why it's not no? Why it is not no? Because today Rani's mother gave Rani, today Rani's mother gave her a big pot. You can see on your book that the blue pot size is bigger than the brown color pot. That's why it didn't fill totally, just like the other days. And now it's a question that how much milk does your mother buy every day? Now, do you know, student, that your mother how much milk buy how much milk every day? Do you know how much? Do you have any idea that how much your mother buy every day? 1 kg. Okay. So it's not 1 kg. Actually, it is 1 liter. Okay. It's 1 kg. We are saying, student, milk is liquid or solid thing? Tell me. Student, milk is liquid or solid thing? Milk is liquid or solid thing? Yes, it's liquid. And we know now that liquid things are measured by liter. Okay? So, liquid things are measured by liter and liters. So, it will be 1 liter. If anyone mothers buy 1 liter, those students write down 1 liter. If it is half liter, then write down half liter. If anyone house it's 2 liter, then write down 2 liter. Whatever your mom buy every day, write down that amount on your book, on the blank. See, the blank has been given. The blank has been given, and how much your mom buy, just write down that amount. Everyone done? Upasya? Done, Upasya? Okay, good. Now say student that previous day I told to do the activity. How many of you done? How many of you done the fun activity? How many cups? I told to show me the picture of the, give me the picture of the page. Have you done? Student who are done that part, click the picture and send on the chat. Okay, good, Debapriya. It's 1 kg, good. What about previous day's work, student? And now tell me, student, that every day you drink how much milk? 1 liter or less than 1 liter or more than 1 liter? Every day you drink how much milk? 1 liter or less than 1 liter or more than 1 liter? Do you have any idea how much milk every day you drink? Less than 1 liter. Purbayon says less than 1 liter. Can you tell me the amount? Less than 2 liter. Debapriya, less than 2 liter means more than 1 liter. Can you drink 1 liter milk? Debapriya? Then your stomach will become the milk pond, milk river. I mean, you will usually have your milk 4 times? Okay. You are every day taking 1 glass, you are every day take 1 glass milk, isn't it, student? 1 glass milk. Can you tell me the amount? 1 glass means how much? Do you have any idea? Half liter or less than half liter? Okay, Purbayan says less half liter. 1 glass. Okay. 1 glass is most probably 250 ml. Student, 250 ml. That's mean if we divide 1 liter in equal 4 parts, we will get 250 liter. So half liter, yes, lockdown time and you are doing lots of jumping and everything. So you need lots of energy. That's why you can drink half liter, 1 glass. Okay. So student, on the next class, on the next day, we will do thirsty crow. Thirsty crow, okay? And today up to this much for this class. And now say me that which part you can't understand, student? Is there something that you can't understand? Whatever today we discussed? Is there anything? Any problem regarding maths? Okay, Ayushpal hasn't any problem. Ushmit also. Okay. 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 So did you enjoy the class, student? Did you enjoy the? Yes, ma'am. And I am also enjoying the class with you. Okay, student. Then bye-bye. Okay, take care.